For viewing the requests that the admin has received, they can navigate to the event request page from calendar sidebar. Once they click on that, they would be taken to this page. Here, all the requests that the admin has received would be shown in this kind of a card format. So currently you can see that there is only one active request, which is for a cancellation of the session that has been scheduled by the admin. So the student has requested for a cancellation. If the admin wants to see the reason or the description that the student has stated, they can hover over this tooltip, and within this, the reason would be shown. Now, here the admin can take two actions. Either they can approve the cancellation or they can decline this request. So if they click on cancel event, the request would get approved. And if they click on decline, suppose they want to decline this request, they'll click on decline. A confirmation model will get triggered here. Once the admin clicks on the button for confirming, you can see that the request for cancellation has been declined. So this is how the admin can view the request and take actions for either approving the request or declining the requests.